What's up? Welcome back to our channel.
How's it going, everyone? What are we doing today, man?
We are heading down to Wasaga Tomato Beach. And we're gonna spend the day.
Hopefully we make it there. I have no idea where I'm going.
This
So
camera's going like this.
it's okay, great footage. Yeah, we have some noodles, some towels, some food. I'm getting a chocolate chip ice cap.
A chocolate chip ice cap. What's that?
It's new. Yeah, it's a limited time.
What time is it? 10?
It's 10 a.m. exactly. Wow, we left before we said we were going to.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Okay.
Hi, could I have a medium coffee with 2 creams?
Medium 2 cream?
A small iced cap that's like the chocolate chip one.
Okay.
And a cheese bagel toasted with butter.
That's everything?
Yeah, that's it.
So it's 807.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
How's your chocolate chip
Okay,
ice
first
cap?
taste test. Little mini chocolate chip. So cute. I really like it. It's like a mixture of sweet, but like the coffee bitterness. Love it.
There's
Recommend.
no bitterness in an ice capsule. What are you talking about? I tried it. I like it too. So, yay, Tim's!
2 thumbs up. And a high five.
No, I like that, man. Okay, we'll use that.
Okay. Say you want me. Say you want me.
I can't do it when it's over.
Our time! All night. Oh, thank you, Saya.
Oh my gosh.
Green needs
Tires.
Oh, a little sidecar. That's what it would look like. Oh, I'm going through. Beep, beep. Lay you down, down easy. Baby girl.
Our senses disappear. Doesn't matter what we do. See this life through.
Oh yeah.
That's a water
Big
slide.
green thing?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, man.
That looks like fun.
Jesse Eisenberg.
We're heading to the
Longest freshwater beach in the world. I don't believe that. But we'll see how it looks. I hope it doesn't look trashy or
yeah.
like,
I've got some high expectations. I don't know
I do
why.
too.
But we'll see. We'll show y'all when we get there.
Okay, this car just drove like towards us and it had 3 tires, 2 in the front and 1 in the back, and it was big like a car.
Whoa.
But then the back was like 1 tire. It literally looks like a Batmobile. Holy crap, that was cool. I get that quickly.
I got it. Yelling at me.
Gotta rub off the eyes so I'm all set.
I gotta go pee so bad.
Love, the love, the love.
Oh my gosh. That's where I'm heading to.
So, we were at a pedestrian cross. And I pushed the button, but I didn't know how to like see. Like there's no like way for us to see. So this guy ended up honking at us. It was pretty
You
neat.
could have just gone if you wanted, but there's a concrete there, so whatever.
Yeah. That's about that. We're going to the stores now.
Pretty crazy. Hey everyone. We are here, we are here, we are here. It is busy. It kind of reminds me of the ocean like a lot, but then I'm also like, there's no sharks or jellyfish or like crabs.
We're
Yeah.
like, what's it called? Sand dollars? Starfish.
Sand dollars.
Those are things. A little sea creek. Why did I just get sprinkled with sand? That was you!
We're gonna go swimming soon. Probably take you with the GoPro. We brought some noodles. We're just eating right now. Some melon. I feel like everybody's staring at us.
It's just like this short.
Like it's like that wide, and
I
then
thought
the
it was gonna
water's
be
just there.
wider, but it does look like it goes pretty
And the
long.
road is like
Maybe
right
we
there.
have to go like experiment and look over.
We'll go walking in like an hour or two.
I don't know
When
if
we're ready to
gonna
move from
last
here.
As long as we want to.
I don't know either. We'll see.
No. All right, let's go.
What are we doing?
We are going to float on our needles. Mine
Hot
still has
Boys?
a tag on it.
So does mine.
Oh, I don't know.
I've seen a lot of sleazy ones. A lot of nasty ones staring at our race.
Yeah. Like literally everyone just makes it happen.
Because I'm getting cold.
Right.
Okay. Noodle. Okay, I'm going out. Watch my swim. Hello, Savannah. So, how's it going?
Cold.
We've like cleared out the area though. Nobody wants to be around. It's like, hey.
I'm really cold. My nipples are hurt. I'm really paranoid that people are gonna like rob us.
I'm gonna be burnt to a crisp after this, but I'm not. Yeah, you're right. Go under. Bye, guys.
Hi everyone. So
We went in the water. It was it cold?
no, it's actually like it was refreshing.
I'm really cold. My nipples are hurt.
There's a lot of people here,
I feel like we're just
So-
getting stared at, and I don't like it.
so I feel like we're not videotaping a lot, but we're just reading, so
What are you reading?
we're not doing that. What, are we gonna
Leave
take the
that in.
GoPro?
We're gonna go back in the water soon. Peace out, Girl Scout.
Are you ready?
Really love this angle for my roll.
Alright, so now you talk.
We are on our way home now. It's 5:37. Okay, so we got there and we got our spot and then we laid down and we went swimming a lot, and then at one point I like see these two guys walking towards, like, we were near the sidewalk thing, and they're just like walking past us on the sidewalk, and I'm like, I think I know who that is. So then, like, I wasn't 100% sure though, because he had sunglasses on and like a hat, but like his tattoos, like, I recognized. So the whole, what was that, like 3 hours after that goes by, saw them like a lot more. They kept walking past us, and then we were getting ready to go, and I love how you keep looking at me. And he just comes on over with like all of his buddies. Oh yeah, and at one point like 3 of his friends just come and like lay next to us, and then like kept looking at us, but like we kept looking at them, and it was really funny.
Oh my gosh.
Those are his friends, man. Comes up to like us, and Min's shaking the towel out.
No, I wasn't. Yeah, I was just standing there, like ready to go, and then you walk off. So I'm like, well, what do I do? So I just stand there, like, oh my god. So I
He's
shake
like-
the towel out and then get the bag.
He was like, hey, how's it going? Wait, should I say this part? Why do I need to say this part?
His name is.
I don't know. There's just a whole bunch of guys there that just like stare, and I'm just like,
Yeah, interesting time. I don't know if we're gonna be going back or not.
kind of want to go back.
You want to go back just for the attention.
No, I don't like it, man. I don't like it. I already, like, this sounds bad. I feel good about myself. So, like, actually, that doesn't sound bad. Scratch that. You should feel good about yourself. But, when they give me those looks, I just, like, kind of feel gross. Like, because
Why?
I know what way they're looking at me,
Yeah.
and I just don't like it at all. Like, look at me respectfully. Give me a nice smile.
So many. But honestly, the smile is so creepy too.
It is.
You know those old guys that were walking by? Oh my gosh. So one of them was eating like an apple or whatever.
No, they were both in quorum.
Okay, so they were eating. Oh shoot! We almost hit a bird.
What couple?
Oh
Oh my gosh.
Okay, anyway, so they were eating corn.
Yeah, and they just come and they're staring at her, and I'm like,
Well, no,
"Get
I
your
was.
eyes
Because
off
I
my
was like,
little
I
sister."
just
had like my eyes open, right? Because I was like, whatever, just like looking out, and then looking out. Yeah, that's exactly what, looking out. And then he's walking by just staring. So I give him like kind of a dirty look, like don't like what the heck, what's your problem?
Get
Like
away from me.
stop looking. And then
Yeah.
he just bites on his corn like. He goes like that, so I was creeped out. I was like, ugh, like I cringed. Did you
This
see
other
him do
guy
that? He was just like,
just kept on staring at us, and like I kept making eye contact with him, and like the eye contact was not like a oh hey like come on over and talk to me kind of look. It was more like a get away, like I can't do this, and he just kept on like
the
staying over
teal
here.
shorts?
Yep,
I
teal
think
shorts.
he was drunk. Wasn't that like one of his friends? Anyways, we are in a bad spot. I think we need to go further down the beach, but they're probably there too. That guy that
Oh, I
we were
do that all the
sitting
time.
beside,
What one?
like he was just with his family over in his chair.
Oh no, he was being fine. His
was
little
fine.
brother was looking. That's who was looking. He was like Johnny, little Johnny. Little Johnny was telling Big Steve to like come look at us, and I was like,
What? What? Okay, well,
yeah, because the
anyways.
little brother was more angled towards us.
Oh yeah,
And he was like telling his like older brother like, hey, look over there.
He was
We'll
not.
see. Yeah,
saying
no,
that.
he was. He was. Yeah.
When we walked up to the beach, and I'm like, what did I say?
Biggest titty award.
Biggest titty award, which isn't a good award, but or it is. I don't
You know
know.
what? Embrace them.
I mean, I think
I've
it's
finally
a good
gotten
award,
over
but,
the fact.
But yeah, like we're not Instagram models.
Do you see my like flab right here?
Oh, shut up, Savannah.
Instagram
Barely
models
even
don't
have
have.
flab.
Yeah, but Instagram models are like.
Anyways, bye guys.
Will that be all for today?
Yeah, that's it.
Our total $16.92 per first window, please.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Do it! Do it!
Nasty baby. Reach your ponytail.
You'll be on everybody. Come in,
Jump on it.
ride it.
Up on it. Baby.
That's not the lyric.
Jump on baby. Jump on it. Oh, we got Big Macs and Fruitopia and fries.
I got the end of our drive-through session. 2 drive-ins. Do it. Ride it. Ride it. Wing.
Okay, we can end.